Hey, and I am here to do the drawing. It is 8 o'clock, so here's my jar o' names, and I want to thank everybody for being involved and commenting and picturing and sharing. So we're going to draw right now, okay? The winner is Bobby Stevens. Bobby Stevens, if you will please PM me, I will tell you what your prize is. So thank you everybody for being part of the drawing, and for all of you that didn't win, better luck next time. I'm not done with drawings, so Bobby, please PM me and we will talk about your prize.
Annalisa Allison just messaged to say congrats.
Awesome. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much. And thank you guys for supporting the Sterling Fork. I really appreciate you. And we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.